Hello everyone, welcome to the SGUnited Health Jigsaw. The SGUnited Health Jigsaw is a blended events initiative in which you need to complete a total of 4 challenges. So choose one challenge per puzzle piece. Each puzzle piece represents a key part of the SGUnited initiative. The SGUnited Health Jigsaw aims to encourage the community to connect and exercise together while adhering to social distancing protocol. We hope to foster bonds and to build the SGUnited spirit through this program, especially during this difficult time. We also hope to empower the community to maintain a healthy and active lifestyle together. Today, we'll be doing the Zumba challenge in the Stay Active at the Park puzzle piece. Before we commence, check your surrounding for any safety hazards. You must conduct this activity in an outdoor area, such as a park. Ensure that you are standing a safe distance away from others so as to avoid collision and to maintain social distancing. We also encourage you to wear the appropriate sports attire.
By completing the challenge, you are pledging to
We pledge to stay active and encourage our family and friends to join us in maintaining an active lifestyle together. We will take care of our health and play our part in building a healthy community that is safe for everyone. SGUnited!
Now I'll pass the time over to Trainer Lydia.
Hi everyone, I'm Trainer Lydia. I'm going to show you some of the techniques that you will be going to use for the challenge. Alright? Move number 1, we are going to do cha-cha side to side. Now right leg going out first. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Right leg, cha-cha, and left leg going out, back and cha-cha. Movement number 2, our legs are coming up to a V shape. Right leg come out first, then the left leg, and we march back for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try again, right leg, left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, movement number 3, salsa 4 steps to the right. Let's go. Use your hands to push. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now movement number 4, salsa front and back. Right leg go to the front. 1, 2, 3, left leg go behind. 1, 2, 3. Right, left, right. Movement number 5. Now cross your hand and open it up.